Hello everybody, this is Matador again from freetradingvideos.com. It's 12:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on May 11th, 2010. Getting some really good textbook technical analysis going on here. Looking at a 3-minute chart of the S&P 500 ETF. Pre-market we had these equal swing highs down in here. Looking at this 115.30 area, this side of that, and bouncing around the 114.70 mark. Support, support, support. Resistance, resistance over and over again. Nice little breakout of that occurring very near the open. Running right up into resistance at the 200 MA. Pulls back a little bit, breaks that, and then uses that as support. So resistance, once broken, becomes support at 1550. We can drop a line there. Excellent half round number there. And chopped around, higher highs, higher lows. Right around the 116 mark, and if I scrunch this up, you can see that's exactly where the consolidation area was from yesterday. Just shy of that again. So nice move up. That resistance, once broken, becoming support. Double top, nice breakout. Resistance into the 116.50 mark that we had drawn in from the previous highs of yesterday. 1, 2, 3. Another test, and then here we are right through here. I'll show you on a higher time frame as well. But now that resistance, once broken, acting as support, at least right now. So if you go out to a higher time frame, you can see how these numbers match nicely, and it's a beautiful run up, excellent gap fill, more than a 100% retracement of that move, and now we're looking at the 117 mark as resistance. Let's go through and look at the trend on a little 3-minute chart here. I'll scrunch it up if I have to. And we're actually in the bearish zone for almost the entire day, so it's a huge divergence in this. Although we have been dropping with lower lows and lower highs, we started consolidating also around 10:15, 10:30, and still consolidating above the 1.0 mark. So the move up in question a little bit even here as we move up into resistance. Not the easiest environment to trade long into, and definitely a little more aggressive with profit taking. The trend Q falling beautifully, but if these numbers are right, which I can't believe, I just don't even believe it. So sometimes software doesn't match right or whatnot, but this I've never even seen a trend at a level like this. So a huge divergence between the trend Q and the trend, but way overbought in this scenario. So again, we'll have to see if that shakes out. And the volatility index dropping very nicely. Nice little tiebreaker between the two, even below its gap and heading south. So it's good to see volatility bleeding out. We are looking at a level of support. Drop this line in through here that has now been tested. 1, 2, now third time, and good level of support through here as well. This guy doesn't make as much sense. We remove him. A little bit more meaningful right there. So this becomes an area to watch out for, and we're in this area right now. So good stuff. Look for a sell-off below this 2760 mark. See if the trend Q can come back from outer space here, if that's even accurate, and have the trend drop back below 1, and might be a better signal for a long kind of scenario into this resistance we're facing overhead. So a very interesting day so far. A little bit mixed. So trade well. Look forward to D7's video at the close, and it's nice working with everybody so far this week.